You love what you do, but sometimes it feels like your business is running you instead of the other way around. You desperately need a break, but if you're not working, you're not making money. And let's face it, you have a mortgage to pay. You have private school tuition to cover. You have veterinarian bills to pay. Who knew Fluffy could be that freaking expensive? Am I right? You need to be making money. But if you keep going like you have been 24/7, you're gonna burn out. Both your mental and physical health are gonna suffer, and then what are you gonna do? It sounds terrifying, right? Today, I'm gonna teach you how to create a product that will bring in regular recurring income month after month, so that you can work half the hours you are now, catch up on that huge stack of books that you're just waiting to read, and make sure you stick around to the end, because I'm gonna show you how to set it up in a way that your business runs itself, and that will give you the financial security and freedom you need to take a break and finally take that vacation you've been dreaming about. Online courses are one of the fastest and easiest way to start bringing in passive income. You're an expert at what you do, and you have the knowledge to help other people do the exact same thing. And people in general want to learn, and they're willing to pay to do it. Think about how many online courses you've paid for over time, or if you went to college, you paid for that education as well. An online course is simply education that you can purchase so that you can better yourself. And let's face it, most online courses are a heck of a lot cheaper than university. Now, I know you're over there thinking, but I don't have anything that I could teach to people. Well, here's the deal. Yes, you do. So what I want you to think about everything that you do on a regular basis. This could be things you do in your job, or it could simply be things that you're really good at. Maybe you're excellent at marketing, or maybe you can work a spreadsheet like a boss, or maybe you love to crochet and it's something that you absolutely love doing. All of these things could be potential online courses. Once you've written down everything that you do, I want you then to write down every question anyone has ever asked you about what you do. Maybe your neighbor asked you how you keep your roses so beautiful and flawless. Maybe your sister wants to know how you cook those fabulous vegetarian recipes. Those need to go on your list as well. Once you have your list of course ideas, you're going to take them and you're going to go to websites like Udemy and Coursera, and you're going to search for courses that are similar. What we're doing is we're going to validate here that there is a market for your course, because no matter how amazing your course idea is, if there's not a market for it, we're not going to make it, because it's not going to make you money. There's no point wasting time creating a course that's just not going to sell. So as you scroll through Udemy and Coursera, what I want you to do is take a look at the courses that are similar. How much are they selling for? How many sales do they have? And have they sold recently? This is how you're going to validate your course idea and see if it's something worth pursuing. For example, if one of the comparable courses is selling currently for $99 and they've sold 100 courses, that's going to bring in an extra $9,900, which, hey, that's helpful. But what if that same comp is only selling for $29? You may think, oh, that's not that much. But that same course sold 10,000 courses because it was so low ticket. That's now $290,000. How much would that help you financially? Would it help you take that much needed break? My guess is yes. 300 grand is nothing to joke at. Once you've validated your course idea, it's time to outline your curriculum and then start selling the course. That's right, I said outline your curriculum and then start selling the course. At no point did I say create and film your course. We're all about working smarter, not harder over here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna sell this course before it is even created. You're gonna run the first round of your course live in a beta launch at a significant discount to a small number of people. By only taking a few people at this discounted rate, it's gonna build a sense of urgency. It's going to encourage people to sign up quickly so they can get the discounted rate, and you're going to get paid to create the course as you go. Now that you've run the first round of the course live, you can use the client feedback that you gained while filming that course to improve it and make it better. I did this exact same thing with my Course Now membership, Passive Income Academy. Students in the course, the first round, asked questions I didn't even think about including in the membership. And now, because I ran that first round, I was able to include questions I had no idea people were thinking in my membership to make it even better. Another thing you can do is with that first round of beta clients, you can get their testimonials. Testimonials are proof that your product works, and you can use them in the marketing of the final product. As you're re-recording the videos, record them in small, tangible segments that have actionable steps so that your clients can get win after win after win, and then upload them into your platform of choice. You know I'm a big fan of Teachable. Once your course is uploaded and your landing page is set up with all of those beautiful client testimonials, all you have to do is start selling. Your knowledge and your skills are valuable to others, so take that knowledge and those skills you have and put it together in a way so that you can help other people out. And until next time, peace out.